In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can view your YouTube comment history on your mobile phone. So the first thing to take note of is that you can't actually do it from within the YouTube app itself. So what you need to do is go to a web browser on your phone. In my case, I'm on Google Chrome, but if you're on an iPhone, you can use Safari. Basically, you can use any web browser. And then depending on your phone, you want to go ahead and request the desktop site. So it's different process for every single phone. But on my particular phone, I hit the 3 vertical dots at the top right of the screen. And then you can see the option there that says desktop site. Make sure that is ticked on. And then that will load up the desktop version of YouTube. Now you can zoom in a bit, and then you want to go to the top left hand corner. And you can see 3 horizontal stripes. Tap on those 3 stripes. And then you want to tap on history. It's underneath library there. Towards the middle of the screen, tap on history, and then it will show you your watch history. But then you can swipe to the right or scroll to the right, and then you can see it says manage all history at the bottom, and then the second option there is comments. Tap on comments, and now it's loaded up all my comment history, so I can scroll down and see every single comment that I've made on this particular account. And you can see an X at the right hand side of the comment. If you hit that, that will delete the comment. Just give it some time to update within YouTube system. And then you can also see what time it was posted, and you can tap on details and it will show you further details about that comment. So if this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.